So hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys in another very brand new video. So this video is gonna be very special because in this video, as you can see, I am again in the outdoor. Whenever I am in outdoor, I always love and I always prefer to practice this English language. By what? And also now today's in this video, I don't have any topic in my brain that I will talk about, but now my target is to spend time with this English language by speaking it and also making fun with it and also just showing you this environment. Look at the beautiful environment. It's very nice. Like I am also thinking about this tree. As you can see, this tree is also very amazing tree. So this tree, like just see the trunk of the tree, that from the trunk there are many type of branches. They also just came out and they are looking so very beautiful. And also like this place, this is a lake and also I am on a bank of this lake and I am just making video. I'm also practicing it everywhere. The greeneries, they are very beautiful. And also interestingly, as you can see, that on the lake there is also a very big net. Okay, on this full lake there is a very big net, because I think that the people, they also hanged the net here because for the leaves. Okay, sometimes also a lot of leaves, they also just fell down on the lake, on the water. For that, for to protect the water and for to make it more clear, they also just hanged a net here. So now today's this video also I am sharing with all of you for to share and also for to show that how I practice this English language at the outdoor side. Now also I don't have any kinds of topic, so now how I will practice. I don't have topic, it means not that I will just stop speaking, I will give excuses. Oh no, now nothing is coming in my brain. For that I also don't have any topic to speak. No, I will just speak. Okay, just try to understand and just try to remember one thing. Doesn't matter which situation in you are and also where are you, with whom are you, just start speaking English, because English is a very magical thing. Okay, whenever you will start speaking the English language, 2 3 sentences, introduction, self introduction about the environment, about the beautiful environment, then slowly the sentences, new topics, they will also come to you. Like also, as you also can see, for 2 minutes I am speaking English but without any topic. What I said, I also first gave the introduction, and after the introduction I also just started explaining and also sharing the view of the environment and also the environment background. So the say it, where you are, what you're doing, with whom you are. And also, like for my introduction, my name is Prathip Burman. I read in class 8 in Ramakrishna Ashram Vidya Mandir, and my hobby is making videos, speaking in English. My dreams, there are a lot of dreams of mine, and that one day will come true. Like one of them is the English speaker. I want to develop my English so much like the native speaker. So now also, as you can see, I am just speaking, I am showing. And whenever I feel hesitate, whenever I am in the outdoor side and I am feeling hesitation, people are looking at me, I don't have anything to speak about at that time, I just use a trick. And if you also just start using it, then you will see that automatically the words, sentences are coming in your brain. You're feeling very nice. You will never feel hesitation from the people, from the surroundings, persons. Okay, you will only just speak and speak. And it is that quotes. Yes, quotes. Just take one quotes, and after taking that quotes, just speak with that quotes. Now which kind of quotes? It may be any kind of quotes, but take these quotes, and after taking that quotes means a thought. There are a lot of thoughts and quotes are there of great people, and then after taking one of them, just start making sentences and also speaking with them, by them. Like also, for example, now I will take a quotes which is that to a great man nothing is little. And also these quotes I always use it in my videos at the ending part of my videos, that to a great mind nothing is little. What means great mind? And for great mind, why everything is big, why nothing is small? Make questions about it and then speak. Okay, then speak. Like for me, to a great mind nothing is little. It means the people who are great minded people, the people who do some invention, innovation, and also help the society members, peoples, they are great minded, and in their life whenever problem comes, they just find out the solution of the problem. Doesn't matter which kind of problem it is. It may be a small minded problem, it may be a big problem, it may be a middle problem. They just solve it. If also they do a mistake while doing their work, then also they just try to focus on that one simple and small mistake, and they also just solve that mistake. Okay, so this simple thing is called the great mind. And because it's also very important, sometimes we ignore a lot of things in our life by saying that they are small, they are not any type of uses are there, but they are really big things for us. So just stop just focusing on ignoring, just focus on everything that is giving you troubles, that is solving your problem, everything. And so as you also can see, he is my friend and his name is Kunal. So Kunal, can you give your introduction?
My name is Kunal and I read in class 9 and my school name is Mahanta Academy.
Okay, as you can see, his name is also Kunal, and he reads in class 9 in Umaganto. So that's why now he is also with me. I have come here for his house for to meet with him, because nowadays also my exams they are over. So that's why I just thought that let's go somewhere, let's go some beautiful places, and let's make video just practice English. And also it's afternoon time, it's very sunny day, so that's why I am also just sweating. So speaking it's also a work, and he also is sitting here. So now just I am also doing my work, he's also doing my work, his work, like that, just speak. Okay, and also another advice that I will give you, that speak about anything, speak about your environment. Like also like this environment is like where I am, and also like the lake, as you can see, it is a one kind of a pond. This pond is very beautiful, but the color of the water, it's not the water color, or it's not a transparent color, it is a greenish color. Okay, green because there and everywhere there is the greeneries. For that, the green color of the leaves, the green color of the trees, it also reflects on the water. That's why the water color it also becomes the green. So now also as you can see, so I am now with my he is my maternal uncle, but I also call him my friend, because he is more than a maternal uncle. He's like my brother, he's like my friend. So that's why I also just always try to do conversation. And also that Kunal also has a YouTube channel like me. He always make videos about the English with and also just share it in the YouTube. So that's why I also always like to spend time with him, because your work a person will only understand who also have the experience by doing that work. Okay, like just think, you like draws very well. Okay, your drawing skills they are very well, but if you are just talking with a person who have never drawn something in his whole life about the drawing, so what is the matter? Never the person will understand you, understand your skills, understand your formulas, and also understand everything that you want to share. So that's why also in our society it's very low person. So the problems there will come, problems there will go, but we have to focus on ourselves. So there are a low quantity of people in our society who also knows the English language. For that, it's also sometimes it's very difficult for us for to develop our conversation skills and also English skills, because for to develop our English skills always we should do conversation, always we should talk with people. So this is the main and also this is the important thing. So that's why now also I'm with Kunal. So we also always just conversation, we think that only talking about what is your name, my name, what is your hobby, my hobby, this type of things. But today I am going to play a game with you.
Okay.
Okay, do you know which game I will play with you?
No.
This game, so the game that I will play with you, it is one kind of a very important game for English. Okay, if you just play this game, then your English skills it will develop, your spoken English it will be very nice and very well, and also most importantly your stock of words and stock of sentences it also will grow up very high. So this game is very normal. Whenever someone also says us to also just explain a word, explain a name, explain something in English, then how we just explain it to the person by our mother tongue.
Yeah.
Okay, like by our mother tongue we also explain, but in this game I will say a word to you and you have to explain me that word but in English, means English to English. Now there is a reason of it, because now we are Indians, like I am Indian, and the most of the people that you are watching it's also you may be Indian. So whenever someone also we also discuss with someone about English, we also discuss most of our time in our mother tongue. Means we use our mother tongue for to understand to the person English. But what if you use English to understand English? Because the native speakers, the people whose mother tongue is English, how they explain a word to their children by explaining the word in English. So that's why this is also very normal. Okay, like for example, you gave me any type of word. Okay, a noun word, a verb word, adjective, any type of word like the bird, the trees, lake, water, this kind of word, and I will explain you that word. It's a normal game. Okay, you gave me one time, and also after explaining, after when I will eat, I will also share and also give you one word. So, what is your word?
So now you describe about the word is tree.
Tree. Okay, this is also a tree. Now how we will understand to you the tree? Like my mother tongue is Bengali, so that's why if someone says me to understand tree and also explain tree, then how we will say the tree means gach, means gach, we call in Bengali gach, tree. Again problem come.
আমরা ইয়ে খাদ্য
So this is the most important. And now like tree, you gave me a word tree.
Yes.
So like this is a tree. So just tree is a normal. Okay, tree is also a living creature like us, living organism like us. Everywhere in this earth we can find out the tree. It may be various kinds of any kind of tree, but we find out trees. And also that the most importantly, we are living in this earth because for the tree. Okay, like can you also say me what the most important thing that tree gives us, the tree provide us?
oxygen also
Yes,
and
it's the
lots of
most important.
fruits.
Yes, the fruits and the flowers they will come after, but first of all the oxygen. If we also can't take and also can't have the oxygen properly for 3 4 5 minutes, then we will die. Okay, so that's why the most important thing is the tree. Tree gives us the oxygen. There are various kinds of tree. A tree means the mixture of roots, of the branch, of the trunks, of the leaves. There are various kinds of trees like that. And how we use the tree gives us oxygen. And also some kinds of trees are there which provide us the fruits. Okay, the fruits that you take, the vegetable that you eat as a dish, they also come by the tree. The tree provide us that. And also like the flowers are also sometimes they are very important for, we also use flowers like a lot of kinds of works. And it was my explanation. Now I will give you a word. Okay, the word that I will give you, it is flower. Like I also shared the what is the meaning and also explaining about the tree. Now you say what is the flower, how you will explain the flower.
So for to explain a flower that you also say the tree also gives us lots of oxygens and lots of fruits. Tree also gives us also flower. That
Yes,
flowers means like a beautiful shapes. They have lots of coloring. Flowers also have they have lots of very varieties of name of the flower like what lotus and lots of extra
roses,
roses, lots
uh,
of extra name.
yes,
So
various kinds of colors
yes,
also
yes, various
flowers have.
kinds of color of the flower. So that is called the flower. And flower also just smelled lots of
Good
good
smells.
smells.
Yes, and also I found it that of this earth a lot of kinds of scents also made by
Flower.
flowers.
Yes,
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 and
yes.
then
And then it is
so where and how we use flowers?
so we also just use flower for in temples also
Temples,
for to just
worship.
yes worship and
Mm,
for to do lots of things we need flower.
mm,
When we also just our just house temple to
temple,
house temple also we use flower for to
worship.
worship for to doing worship.
Mm.
So in that time we need the flower.
Yes, yes. So this thing also very important, and Puna also explained us the flowers. So you also can do it with your friend. It's very normal. Take a word and then make some questions about the word, that how we use that word, what is this word, and what is the thing it's made of. Now also we talked about noun. You gave me a tree, and also I gave you the flower. But now let's talk about the verb. Okay, means works.
Yes, yes.
Works, they are also very important. There are many sentences we can make with a work. So like that's type. Now you gave me a work first of all, like work. Now also we are sitting, so sitting is also a verb. Okay, standing, running, eating, dancing, like that.
Yes, so now I will give you the word verb is that like walking.
Walking.
Yes.
Okay, walking, it's also nice. There are various kinds of walking, like also jogging, walking. We walk in the morning time and in the night time and also in afternoon time, for to just make a distance, for to go somewhere from somewhere. We also use our legs to walk. Okay, we walk with the help of our legs. Okay, by our toes, by our foot, by our also legs. And while walking we also move our hands, heads. So this type of we also, which distance we cover by walking, it's called the walking distance.
Yes, yes.
Okay, and whenever we go somewhere with the help of our legs by standing on it and also moving our legs up forward, we also just call it walk. And also by our legs we walk, by also bending our knees we walk, and also like also running. Walking, so running is a little bit faster form and a little bit faster way of walking. Okay, so if you run, then you also can just go somewhere, can you make the distance more faster.
Yes, yes.
So it's the walking. Normal sentences I also made. And now you say eating. Eat. It is
Eat.
a verb.
Eating. So eating is a like a very valuable part in our life.
Hmm.
Like for example, if we need food, so we have to eat foods for
Foods.
to fill our stomach.
Stomachs.
So at that time also eating is the most important. Like whenever you just do any kinds of work. So in that time your stomach was empty.
Empty.
So in that time you need food. So your brains give the signal that now you have to eat. So in that time it is called the eating. So
Eating.
whatever you eat, foods or etc. thing, it is called by eating.
Eating, yes,
Yes,
it's also nice. Like how we eat, we also just put the food in our mouth,
yes, yes,
and
yes.
then by our teeth we also just
Press it.
press the things, and we also just mash it in our mouth.
Yes,
And
yes.
by our throat we just gobbled it up. And then after gobbling up, a lot of process works in our stomach, in our inner body.
Yes,
And the whole process is called eating. It's the thing.
yes, yes,
Like also we eat a lot of kinds of things, and those things we get from trees. Okay,
yes, yes.
so this is the thing. This is a normal and a very very nice practice. Like you also see, by one word we also talked a lot, by only 4 words, 2 nouns and also 2 verbs. So this thing you also can do with your friends, with your family members, and it will be very very nice for all of you for to develop your speaking. So like that I also just practice the English language at the outdoor side. I speak whatever just comes in my brain. I just try to match myself with the environment, with the situation, because situation also it gives us the like topics. Like also just see, when I came here, I also did not just also thought that I will do this type of conversation with my friend Kunal. But after just saying that, he also agreed, and I also said, okay, just let's start. So situation, it will give you topics. Sometimes it will not give you. So always try to speak English, always try to take the first steps. When you will take the first step, then the forward steps and also the steps will show to you. So it's the thing that I want to share. Bye bye. Just say if you want to subscribe and like.
So also guys, you also can subscribe a Pratik channel. So Pratik will always give you lots of new ideas for to increasing your English speaking and for to learn better things in your life. So always just support Pratik and always subscribe Pratik channel. And
Okay.
don't forget to share this video.
Yeah, share video with your friends with
Yes,
whom
yes.
you also want to do this practice. So this was it, and also I will give you the link of Kunal's channel at my description. From there you can visit to Kunal channel. So it was the thing. Just subscribe this video And also if you subscribe my channel, then you can get, and your English speaking journey will be more shorter. I will fulfill it, and we will fulfill it with a lot of ideas, like new tips and tricks and a lot of things. So bye bye, goodbye. If you have any kinds of problem, any kinds of question about this topic, about this practice, then you can ask me down below. And like that, I will always make this type of environmental and also great videos. Bye bye to a great man. Nothing is little.